So I noticed last year, well, in the spring, I noticed that where I had caulked these to make it so no water could get in there, that it had broke the joint in some cases. So I went back through and added more screws, and then I re-caulked it with the latex silicone paintable caulking. Went all the way around, did that. I noticed a spot here where the original paint had came off, bringing everything else with it, which that was the problem I had with the truck in the first place. So when I was caulking, I just ran some over top of that, and I'll paint that. Next, I'll get the can of paint out and just go along those spots. And last time when I touched it up, you couldn't even tell where I touched it up, so the paint just matches perfectly. Next thing I noticed, the truck is not as quiet as the brand new truck. I guess that's not a surprise, but I was going around and thinking what might. So this right here is disconnected from the bed because of the rust. So I'm going to try to go underneath there and put in some aluminum, screw up in close to the wheel well so it doesn't go through my plastic liner, and then down into here, and hopefully that'll stop that. And that's on both sides. Other than that, the truck is running really well. I do think I need to put a can of dry gas in. I think I'm getting water. It's acting like it's not getting gas at some points going uphill. So there's our little side project. And I'm also going to go over and talk with the local farmer to see if I can pick up some more stone. Got a couple spots I'd like to put more stone on the fences. Okay, let's see if we can paint this and match. Should be fast and easy.